extravergine oil from Italy, from Umbria, the region where I come from. And we just put a little bit of garlic, fresh garlic like this, and sea salt. This is popcorn, simple popcorn, and instead of butter, we call it popcorn Italian style.
The blood orange I just had, very, very flavorful, very tasty, and the flavors are strong, so a little dab will do you. The amazing thing about this setup is you can come in, have a little cupful, get a little taste, and walk out with a bottle knowing what you purchased. It's a great idea. Fantastic. I've tried many of these and there's not one I haven't liked. I've got different ideas to try. I think the key to this though is you can try any of these on anything and you won't mess it up. It'll just bring a different side flavor to the main dish. It's a great accent. It's not going to overpower the meal. Fantastic.
This one, so I think we might be buying this one. My husband doesn't know it yet. We may be buying this one. And it's just been a great experience. I mean, the pomegranate olive oil, I never knew that there was anything like that outlet. And just having all the experience, talking to one of the chefs here has been quite an experience. A lot of great cooking tips that I really enjoy when it comes to salmon. My husband and I love making salmon and pancakes on Sundays. So I think we're going to use some of his, ideas and incorporate it into our dining experience, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So come on down to Stravino's if you want to and enjoy some of the olive oils that they're, showcasing today if you can. And it was a great experience.